This is an Indian snack that I'm going to introduce to you. This is actually an Indian naan type of kebab, and what's good about it is that you can eat it everywhere you go and you can eat it at any time. Now this has become recently it's become more and more popular, especially in Taiwan.
This is Pakistani food, you know, I mean, Taiwanese people like curry, and we are trying to serve the real authentic taste of Pakistan curry, you know. It's actually the real curry is the combination of vegetable and a lot of spices, and we are even making our own spices. We are grinding our own spices. It's not just like we are buying you know, the ready-made spices and just cooking. Kebabs are many kinds of kebabs, like from Turkish kebabs, or from Middle East, or from Pakistan, or even in India, you know. So I think it depends on how you cook. Cooking is an art. It's my passion. I like cooking. The dough of roti and chapati is very, very simple. It's just 3 ingredients: flour, water, and a little bit salt and a little bit oil. Everything is handmade.
And how do you heat it up? I mean, what is that, an upside down frying pan?
Yeah, it's a wok. Well, we are cooking on the back side of the wok.
This is the process of making the naan kebab. So you're popping it in flour, stretching it out here. It's like making a pizza, isn't it? Popping it on the dome. Oh, I wouldn't want to put my hand on that. Oh. This is the heaviest strap I've ever seen. Whoa! I can taste the spices. That's the first. This is actually a chicken wrap, and I can really taste a lot of chicken. I can taste everything in it. It's like, and wow, this is not what I expected. This is actually much better than a normal wrap that I'd have. Delicious! Tantalizing and chewy. That huge feeling. I like that.